What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm doing some roasted radish along with some baked salmon. Yes, baked rosemary salmon. Guys, this tastes so good. Come along with me. Let me show you how I make this delicious meal.
People not go like you, not feel like them neither. The place full of greatness, but only few believers. Them say what? You to Caesar, you forgive to Caesar. But yes, so Caesar not go get it till the day him reach ya. No, I'm in a mean for be rude. But mongrel always itch up anywhere them can't get food. Now me see this naked and on the nude. Cause everybody get the same plate but different food. That pastry, friends kill friends, I'll get down.
Okay guys, I have the radish over here. I have some extra virgin olive oil. I have some garlic powder, roasted herbs and garlic, complete seasoning, some basil leaf, some pink salt, and right here I have some garlic and some bell pepper. Okay, so the radish already washed, so I'm just going to cut them in two. And I'm just going to put them in with the onion and the bell pepper. Guys, these taste so good. So guys, I'm gonna put some basil leaf on. Roasted garlic and herbs. This is some complete seasoning. And this is some garlic powder. And I'm gonna put a little tip of salt and some olive oil. Drizzle some olive oil in it. Guys, I'm also going to put some parsley. And I'm just going to mix them in. Now guys, I'm going to put this in the oven, and when we come back, we'll have some roasted radish. Guys, my radish is ready. Herbal roast radish. Ready to go, guys. And I'm going to be serving this with some baked rosemary salmon alongside some vegetables. Yum yum. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.